Why are we the same person?
We look the exact same.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a special guest. I'm here with LaurDIY. We're gonna try some American snacks and candy. We kind of went in. We got a lot of goods. I promise that we weren't trying to look the same.
Literally, we both showed up and we're like, cool.
I literally went out of my way to straighten my hair because I was like, Lauren will definitely curl her hair.
And here we are.
I guess we should just begin.
Also, I'm Canadian, so I have had almost all of these for the most part, because I mean, I've lived in the States for 4 years, but there's definitely some things that I've never had. I've never seen this before in my life.
I've literally only seen Pop-Tarts. What is this?
Oh my god, I haven't had these either.
Lauren didn't eat breakfast. I have to show you how much breakfast I ate.
I was like, need to make room for all of this candy.
I literally ate oatmeal.
Oh my god, that's the smallest breakfast. I thought you were gonna show me like a platter of like pancakes, bacon, like everything.
Lauren was like, I ate the smallest breakfast ever and I just ordered Uber Eats, and I was like, okay. Let's start.
I feel like we start with like classic, like a Twinkie. You've never had a Twinkie before?
I love it how I picked to film this video with a Canadian.
I know, right? The non-American leading the other non-American through snacks. How do we open her? I feel like I could have taken a Lactaid before this. I thought this was gonna taste like really like bacon nasty, but it's not bad.
It's more basic than I thought that it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot of flavor that I wasn't gonna like. I'm gonna give it like a 6.
Yeah, like a 6. That feels solid. I feel like I can just like taste the saturated fat in this.
Yeah. Probably not gonna finish it.
Yeah, I know what I'm saying. I'm gonna put this to the side now.
So excited to leave all of these snacks at Lauren's house.
Oh my god, no.
Like this.
I know what I'm gonna do with this. Yeah.
Okay.
I love these.
I thought it would smell more like Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
I feel like these are like a little tamer than Hot Cheetos.
I feel like when I eat Flaming Hot Cheetos, I can't eat more than like 5 of them. My mouth dies.
Me too. I feel like I develop an ulcer immediately.
I can eat these.
So my best friend likes these, but she likes them like 1 day old.
Ew.
So she'll open the bag and then save them and eat them the next day.
So random.
I know.
I actually think I like these more than Flaming Hot Cheetos.
I think I also do too. They're less like offensive to my mouth.
I'm gonna give it like a 9.5.
Ooh, that's almost okay. So do you have like red vines or Twizzlers, so you don't have this at all? So there's like an ongoing battle of like people who like Twizzlers better and people who like red vines better. Personally, I think
red vines are trash.
Don't come for me, but I'm a Twizzler girl.
This is like very plasticky. I feel like it smells like it's gonna have more taste than it does.
Our mouths are so on fire still from the hot fries that I'm like, I can't taste this at all.
Kind of tastes like rubber.
Like the bounce back of like,
they're not really like easy to eat. I'm gonna give it like a 3.
Ooh, she's a tough judge.
Wait, I just remembered, like I've watched videos like this before and I've seen people in the comments get like lightly offended when people don't like their favorite snacks. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Oh my god, no, like me saying red vines are trash, like people will come for me. For sure.
I'm sorry that I gave it like a 3. Oh, I give it a 7.
Oh my god. Have you had a gusher before? These were the most coveted snack in school. Like if you had gushers, you could trade for anything.
Oh really?
Yeah. Like this was like some high currency stuff at school.
I actually am into like the liquid on the inside.
Oh my god, gushers slap.
I feel like Australian candy is so like boring and small.
America doesn't back down from sugar. Oh my god, they're so good. I think you should have a gusher ready to chase down your Good and Plenty. I really prepped these for Sarah to like be nasty. Maybe you're gonna like them. I don't know.
We went to the store and she was like, so we should probably get these, but you're probably not gonna like them. Low-key though, like, I'm sorry, we need a little packaging update or something.
I know.
Sorry, Good and Plenty, like.
This ain't it, baby.
Oh, are they?
Oh, sorry, that was kind of
the same or different flavors?
Honestly, I don't know.
It gets worse.
And worse.
It literally tastes like something that your mom eats.
My mom loves these. Gail loves these.
Sorry, Mom DIY.
But she likes like black licorice.
Love dragging my friends into eating obnoxious amounts of unhealthy food.
I know, like this is lunch.
Good morning, Lauren. Come to your house.
At like 1 p.m. you're like, eyes spinning.
This is Little Debbie birthday cakes, individually wrapped. Like,
I've never had one of these before.
like it's like dense, it feels like.
It looks dense. Like this box. Oh, not what I was expecting shape-wise. Also, I just feel like processed cake is never gonna go well, you know? Oh, this smells good.
This is actually better than some birthday cakes that I've had before.
This is really good. Wow, this is so much better than a Twinkie. Like, why would you have a Twinkie when you could have this? Wow, one of these has 25% of your daily fat intake. That's why it tastes so good. Canada, y'all need to step up your game.
Kane's hungry right now.
Yeah, oh my god, imagine. Should we do the Cupcake Pop-Tart? Because I feel like this is decorated the exact same. Similar taste?
Yeah. How do you eat these? Some people toast them, some people eat them like this, and then some people put them in the freezer, right?
Oh, I haven't heard that last one. I personally like to put it in the microwave for about 6 seconds.
Ooh, they're kind of like ugly. The box versus like the real life.
True, you're like expectations versus reality.
Ew.
She doesn't smell great. It doesn't taste as bad as it smells.
But like they're kind of dry.
Oh, they're definitely dry. They're definitely dry. I don't know. Maybe we went too rogue and we should have just stuck to like a classic like berry.
Yeah, we definitely got excited when we saw these Pop-Tarts. We were like, oh, we have to do Pop-Tarts. I feel like people will hate me. They're just like a little dry. I'm sorry, y'all. They're great.
What's the rating?
By itself, I would give it like a 2.
Wow! Oh my gosh, you're coming for Pop-Tarts. This is a ho-ho.
Oh, is it Christmas?
No, year-round actually.
Oh.
I never thought about that. Chocolate cake rolled with creamy filling.
There's lots of cakes. Like, I'm not kidding, in Australia, this kind of snack isn't a thing.
Really?
Yeah. Like, I think we would have one, but it definitely wouldn't be like popular. No one would buy it. Cheers.
Oh my god, I just immediately got like transported back to grade 4.
I'm probably here for this. This is probably my favorite cake that we tried.
More than the birthday?
But the Twinkies, really moving down the list now.
Okay, so we've got ho-hos, other way around. Twinkies, birthday cakes, ho-ho.
Yeah.
Wow, this comes as like a serving box. Honestly guys, this was the smallest one that I could find and I was like, why is this so, oh wait, no, it's not a serving box. Yeah, what's going on here? Yes, it is. Oh, I see. Nope. Now I just have a whole tray
It
of
looks like
Nutter
you've like
Butters.
bought them to sell them.
Welcome to the LaurDIY store. Shop.laurdiy.com where you can get Nutter Butters. What am I gonna do with all these after?
I'm gonna leave with just the, like these spices, and this is all I'm gonna take. But like, you can enjoy your good and plenties.
Thanks.
Because they're good and there's plenty of them. Welcome to the sun.
I don't think I've ever had a Nutter Butter before. Oh, it's in a peanut shape. That's really cute.
Oh, they smell really strong.
Wait, so do you like peanut butter cookies? Because this seems like a peanut butter cookie like on steroids.
I don't know if I've ever had a peanut butter cookie.
Not as peanut buttery as I thought it was gonna be. Pretty tame. She tame.
I kind of like it though. Like, this is one of my faves.
Really? Oh man. Okay, so zebra popcorn, I'm pretty sure is just like caramel corn covered in white and dark chocolate.
So the other day when I came to Lauren's house, we had, I don't know what kind of popcorn you had in that big bag.
Oh, Chicago mix.
And that was the first time I've ever had any popcorn that wasn't just like salted popcorn or like buttered popcorn.
What?
Yeah.
You can get popcorn in straight up any flavor here. Like it's obnoxious. Oh, here's a good chunk.
Not gonna lie, I actually freaking love this, and I thought, because I'm a butter popcorn kind of girl, I would never like sweet popcorn.
This is so good.
Guys. This is how much popcorn Lauren has. We have a Christmas party.
There's like cinnamon toast, crunch, caramel, cheese corn, zebra. I don't think there's a single regular one of popcorn over there. It's all weird. Oh my god, take this away from me. It's so good.
Sometimes I'm kind of glad that I don't live in America because it wouldn't be okay.
Quiet on set. Take 2.
You're doing amazing.
All right, go ahead,
You
please.
just tapped something on the screen.
I know, I'm concerned.
It was your face.
Oh, I was like, oh no. Oh, we should have got the soft Jolly Ranchers. These are the hard ones.
That means nothing to me.
Wait, what color did you get? This is very
watermelon?
important. I personally think that watermelon tastes a little bit like throw up.
Okay.
I personally like the blue the best. Oh my god, these slap.
I love it when you say that.
Slap. That's even better. Oh my god, I got it right in my mouth. These slap.
They're pretty good.
So they have the chewy ones too that I personally think are even better because you can eat them faster.
A little bit of a regret right now that
Right?
I got these
Yeah.
ones.
These also turn your tongue blue.
I'm just gonna give it like a 7. I just have to go over here for a second. Pretty good.
Tongue blue?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm kind of nervous about this. Beef jerky?
Is this popular in Australia?
You know, like when you go to the store and they like have the people standing there that like, come over and try this, and they try to get you to buy it. That is in Australia all the time with beef jerky.
So they're trying to get it to be popular.
Yeah, and sometimes when I went there with Kane, he would be like, I'm a vegetarian. And it was just really awkward.
Your journey begins here. It literally says on the package. Eat adventurously. Your journey begins here. As gourmet as jerky gets. I don't know. Is it beef? Oh, beef. I have mixed feelings on jerky. Oh, she's salty.
Does it taste kind of sweet?
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Okay.
We have really put our stomach through a lot today and I'm stressed about it.
We have cheddar cheese balls. When Lauren said that this is what we're buying, I was like, okay.
I put them in the cart and Sarah was genuinely like,
I was like, we're gonna eat 2 of these each.
Hang on, Moose just coming downstairs.
Hello?
Yo, tippy tappies, Bubba. I've never had these before.
They kind of smell like nothing.
Yeah, and it smells like really underwhelming. It looks like a corn pop.
I don't know what that is. They tasted more nothingy than I expected.
Why is there so much air on the inside?
I'm kind of into it though. I could see you like sitting on the couch on like a Sunday afternoon, like
the whole time.
I'm so happy for you that you have all of these.
Oh, me too. I don't know. I thought they were gonna be better.
I thought they were gonna taste like more. They're a little cardboardy too.
Hey, pass me the hot fries. This is where it's at.
You're like, I need some flavor.
I know. Okay, what's the rating? What are you gonna rate her?
I was kind of excited for it. It's like a 7.
Like this isn't more of an ASMR thing.
It really is. This is ASMR.
I can't remember what I rated any of these. I feel like my ratings were so scattered for the whole video. Is this number 1 over here?
Sure.
These can be like here somewhere. These were freaking bomb. These are number 1.
Your corn.
I'm gonna put the jerky at the end if you can do that for me.
You nasty. You nasty.
I feel like the cakes were like this.
Twinkies at the bottom.
Twinkies at the bottom.
Good and plenty near the jerky.
Yeah, good and plenty definitely do the jerky.
Oh, gushers. What about gushers?
These can go like here.
Pop-Tarts?
Pop-Tarts were kind of dry. We have fake flaming hot Cheetos, nutter butter. What is this?
Zebra corn?
Zebra corn?
Moose is licking the hot fries off my fingers. Ah!
These cheese balls, the cakes, and then all the other stuff that doesn't really matter.
You're like, everything from Twinkie down can go.
So hopefully we didn't offend you guys if your favorite snacks are down this end. Sorry. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed me forcing my Canadian friend to try American snacks that she's already tried before. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'll link Lauren's channel down below, even though y'all probably follow her already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!